Welcome back to my little creative corner of the internet. And welcome back to our final day for Junk Journal July. Today's prompt is celebrate, which fits the final day of the challenge so well. Let's celebrate that we sticked through the challenge and that we have a super chunky and filled up journal now. I'm really happy how this whole challenge turned out, and I can't wait to give you a proper tour of my junk journal. This video will be coming soon. So here we have one of the final envelopes in the back of my journal that is still free for today's prompt. So I decided to put the journal aside for now, get out my sketchbook to create a page in there, which I then will make a photocopy to include in the junk journal. And besides sticking through Junk Journal July and doing daily videos as well as daily journal entries, which I'm really proud of myself for sticking through that, and I'm so happy that all of you have joined me on this creative adventure and have enjoyed the daily videos so much. Thank you so much for all your kind words and your encouragement for my creative videos. It made me stick through this whole situation, and I'm so proud of myself for sticking with it and doing the daily editing, which was kind of the hardest part about the challenge, I must say. And I'm really happy that we could grow our little creative community here on YouTube to over 2,000 subscribers. So today's celebration prompt, I decided to not only celebrate the end and the final day of the Junk Journal July challenge, but also use today's journaling prompt to celebrate our little community here of creatives and the 2K subs I've reached here. So thanks to everyone who decided to subscribe and join me on a regular basis on my creative adventures. I hope you will stick around even after the Junk Journal July challenge has ended now, and I'm definitely going to up the videos for now and start a new series, which is kind of relaxing, spending some creative time with me. There will be like a second video I decided on Wednesday. So Wednesday will be an uploading day as well as Saturday. The Saturday videos will kind of stay the same as they have been in the past. Very colorful mixture of tutorials, journal with me, sketchbook videos, artist advice videos, challenges, and many things more to come, whichever creative adventures I'm going on, and I can bring you along with my camera, so we will see. And the Wednesday videos will be more about spending just some relaxed time together in our sketchbooks, junk journals, art journals, or journals in general. Just keeping each other company, relaxed music, a bit of a voiceover talking about the creative process that you are watching in the video, or just whatever is going on at the moment. I hope you will enjoy those creative, more chill vibes as well. And I'm really excited for creating those videos, and I'm very happy that you have enjoyed the Junk Journal July challenge that I did here on my channel so much. So thanks so much for joining me on this creative adventure. And I'm really happy to know that the more relaxed and just kind of journal with me videos are something you all enjoy. And now that I know that there will be many more fun things to come, but also the Saturday videos will stay like they are. Just want to mix it up and do just more a mixture of both, and just do some more videos for all of you. And I think some relaxed creative times I can definitely also use some more in my daily life for myself as well. I'm looking forward to having an excuse to take my time on a weekly basis to create something that will be interesting to see. And I'm just starting next week that's when we will flip through the completed junk journal for this junk journal July and do a little tour of the whole sketchbook or the whole junk journal here. I'm absolutely happy how this junk journal in general turned out, how the challenge was completed. I'm very, very proud of all of us for sticking through it and creating. Even if you didn't do it on a daily basis, I think a challenge like this is always good to just up your creative output, and it is always good to create something more, be creative more. Even if it's sometimes sucks what you do, the possibility of creating something really, really awesome, creating your next masterpiece, is always a given. So just allowing yourself to create more ups the possibility to create something amazing. We just have to accept that there will be days in between where it kind of is a loss in our own creative books, maybe. Don't be too hard on yourself. And thanks again so much for over 2,000 subscribers. That means the absolute world to me. And thanks for joining me on this creative adventure. And until then, see you in my next video. Or maybe just right after this one if you watch one of my other creative adventures. And if you want to join me on this creative journey and many more creative adventures to come, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And did you guess right? Let me know in the comments down below. I would absolutely love to hear from you. And because it's so lovely and fun, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, a thumbs up would make me really happy. See you very soon.